Man, what's up everybody out there in YouTube land? It was a long day yesterday. I got clocked in about 8 hours going through long and short boxes of comics and shit. But hey, I found one comic that's gonna pay my rent for like the next month or two. So it was well worth it. So that's the beauty of what I do, man. I love my job so much. This shit. Long story short, we finna have another long day. So let's go searching. Just won another boy. Cashed out the $11 one. Bought two of them and won five. Hey, nigga luck been Gucci lately. Let's keep going. That's some dope. Gang. First grab him. The Superman seal. That's where I need to be looking at. Clearance. I'm saying thank you to this beautiful young woman right here. She was standing behind me in line, and then she just offered to pay for all three of my items. So, believe it or not, there's still good people in the world. God is good, and everything happens for a reason. So, thank you very much. Sure. Thank you. Man, the world is the universe works so fucking nuts, man. Like, so fucking nuts. Tell me why this lady just paid for my whole, I'm up here at the Salvation Army grabbing a couple little things. This lady just paid for my whole order. She was behind me. She's like, look, I'll pay for your, I was buying a coffee cup. She's like, I pay for that. She's like, fuck it, I got you. I pay for everything. I said, word? Now, it was only $10, but still, like, universe, man, I'm telling you, when you putting out good energy like this, bro, like, shit, I wouldn't believe it if it wasn't me. Straight up. I'm back home. Yeah. It's a magic trick. It's floating. All right, look. I want to do my first unboxing, right? Because I got, like, some crazy good shit, right? So, man, I got... I don't even believe this shit, to be honest with you. Like, this motherfucker autographed for $1. I'm telling you. This is, oh, yeah, I got that Turok. I just got him just because I wanted the Black Panther. Anything Black Panther and Storm, I'm grabbing. And it's #1. Got the Venom Boys. 1, 2, and 3. Or the triple run or whatever. I'm telling you, I got some. Hold on, I want to show you, like, these ain't even. Yeah, this the order shit. I ain't worried about those. Let's fast forward to this. Somebody call me. Yeah, you will. Somebody calling you.
That's okay.
Today I just grabbed that Catwoman. I just grabbed this because it had that Azrael on the cover, so I need that. Got the Harley Quinn cover. Just like Harley Quinn. Wonder Woman. I fuck with that though. Got two of these boys. #1 Carnage. I need it. Hands down. Got the Eternals. I need the old ones, the original ones, but I got the new boy. #1 of the Scarlet Spider. This motherfucker cool for, and all of these is for $1 though. These are the ones I paid $1 a piece for. Miss Deadpool #1. Invincible Returns #1. Got the Avengers. Spider-Woman Jessica Drew on it. You know what I mean? Little razzle dazzle. Young Avengers, just because I know they finna do that pretty soon in the MCU. Now this is the shit I was actually pretty excited about because I always wanted Kick-Ass. Kick-Ass one of my favorite goddamn comic movies. And I'm finally starting to get his comics. I ain't even read them bitches yet. Grabbed a couple of these Hawkeyes. I know that Hawkeye series. This is just a resale. I don't give a fuck about no Hawkeye. Now this motherfucker, I had to grab this. This Batwing #0. This is basically the Black Batman. So I'm getting him. He just gonna go right there. Boop. He already got a home. So yeah, that's what that's for. Got the Thunderbolts with a Deadpool on the cover. That's gonna be popping. Got another Wild Star #1 already. I just bought one of these yesterday, but I just really like that cover. I got 2 of them now, so I can keep one. Look at that. The toy variant. It looked like a toy box. I might get it to my daughter. And then I got some more Black Panthers. Any Black Panther I see, I'm going to get. And then I got the Black Panther Zombies, boy. I'm telling you. And then, hold on. That's it from what I bought today. Then let me see. These the boys I just got in the mail. I ain't even opened these yet. And I actually been real excited. I'm actually, motherfucker finally listened to me too. I told him, please send comics in a box. If you order comics or buy anything on eBay and you send shit, through the mail in an envelope, you deserve to be shot. Damn there, like that shit for the birds. Woo-hoo-hoo. Let me see what we got. Damn. Yeah, he stacked these bitches in there thick. Hold on, let me see. Hold on. I'm about to have to go ahead and peel these bitches open. Let me be careful though, because I need these. These are some of the ones I think I'm going to send off to go get graded. But like I said, I want to start with like 10 books to go get graded, but I already got kind of some shit that's like way too valuable. That's going to have to... Damn. That motherfucker. Word. Okay, so look. I got Peter Parker Spiderman number 15, signed by the author, John Romita Jr. Look at the signature, signed. That's number 15. I got number 16, Venom on the cover, signed by John Romita Jr. Number 17, Kraven on the cover, signed by John Romita Jr. Come on, man. Number 89, Punisher on the cover, signed by John Romita Jr. Number 90, I don't know who that is, but it's signed by John Romita Jr. too. You get the picture. 91, signed by John. I like this one. Number 93, signed by John with goddamn Ghost Rider on it. Oh, I fuck with Ghost Rider. That's my dude. Now this one, I think, double size issue. This one is actually dope. I think I'm gonna keep this one. I don't even want to sell this bitch. Okay. And then last but not least, I got, let me see, a couple of, here you want to kind of scroll over these. This is everything that I bought yesterday from the lot, you know what I mean? So, I got hell of comics though. Like, this is going to have to be a whole nother video for these ones. Like, I mean, this shit. But I will show y'all some of these that I got yesterday. Got a cool little 12-cent Teen Titans boy. I'm going to send him off to get graded. Got me a cool little 12-cent Superman. I'm going to send him off to get graded. Also got me a cool little 15-cent Batman and Robin's Detective Comics. I got a bag and board this though. I got the new bag and boards though, so we gonna get them together. Got some bags. Got a little bit of everything, but hey, long story short, man, this is my life and I'm fucking enjoying it. It's beautiful. I'm done, goddammit. End of the vlog. Let's smoke some weed. Go get it's dope. And they got Christmas trees. We're at the Spanish restaurant. Oh, excuse me. Gonna go get some. Thank you. Yeah, I'm at the Spanish restaurant with my girl. Another end to another beautiful day. That motherfucker look good. You see the smoke coming up out there? That bitch still sizzling. We got a nice little layout. I'm telling you, hey, end of a beautiful day. Let's dig in. That shit look good in a bitch.